Today we're diving into the fascinating tale of the Anunnaki, ancient space gods from Nibiru, and their interstellar saga involving environmental crises, gold hunts on Earth, and the creation of new species. Strap in for a mind-bending adventure through time and space. So we've got these Anunnaki folks, right? Picture them as these ultra-ancient, otherworldly VIPs cruising through our solar system on Nibiru, their deluxe planet. These guys are the epitome of celestial grandeur, decked out with all kinds of space-age wizardry. But here's the twist. Even these cosmic big shots aren't immune to environmental disasters. Visualize Nibiru, now wrestling with a monstrous tear in its ozone layer, a real cosmic calamity. It's like watching a planet-wide disaster movie in real time. Soaring global warming, crops turning to dust, animals in dire straits. It's the kind of scenario that would make even the most hardened sci-fi fans' hair stand on end. The Anunnaki, with their colossal intellects, brainstorm a solution. What if they sprinkled gold dust in the atmosphere to fix things? But, irony of ironies, Nibiru is about as rich in gold as a barren wasteland. Hunger and discontent start brewing among the populace. You can almost feel the tension, the air thick with unease and the looming threat of chaos. When survival's on the line, even the most composed civilizations can reach a boiling point. So what's a civilization on the brink to do? The answer, as history has shown time and again, is revolt, a full-blown, no-holds-barred rebellion. Alalu, our rebel with a cause. He's got noble blood, but his family tree is more tangled than a thorny bush. Alalu's big idea? Usurp the throne, shake things up at the top. We're talking about a classic power grab. But wait, there's Prince Anu, the guy with the legitimate claim to the throne. Their solution? A public showdown, a duel for the ages. After a fierce and messy battle, Anu stands tall as the victor. Alalu, licking his wounds, decides to make a dramatic exit. He commandeers a spaceship. Talk about a grand getaway. King Anu, exhausted from the constant drama, waves him off and refocuses on the critical task of saving Nibiru. But the story takes a turn. Anu, ever the strategist, comes up with a bold plan: scour the universe for gold. They set off, combing through the vastness of space, an epic quest reminiscent of the greatest space operas. It's a desperate search, looking for a speck of gold in the endless cosmic sea. And then, as if destiny itself intervenes, they strike gold on a small, unassuming blue planet, Earth. It's a discovery that would change the course of history for both worlds. And who should chance upon this incredible treasure trove? None other than Alalu, our spacefaring fugitive. Talk about a cosmic plot twist. In a move that's a blend of magnanimity and pragmatism, the Anunnaki decide to forgive him. They even give Earth a new name, Kai, which in Anunnaki lingo probably means something akin to, "We hit the jackpot." With this newfound gold mine, they set up their operations in a place we now call Mesopotamia, constructing a grand city named Eridu. King Anu entrusts his son Enki with running the show, while he himself remains on Nibiru. These folks, driven by a mix of ambition and necessity, work tirelessly, and within a week, Eridu is up and running, a testament to Anunnaki efficiency and engineering prowess. But here's where things get a bit murky. Mining gold on Earth isn't exactly a piece of cake, even for these advanced beings. So, in a move that's a bit on the shady side, they decide to press into service the Igigi, an unfortunate alien race previously vanquished by the Anunnaki. It's a classic case of might makes right, exploiting the downtrodden for their own gains, and thus unfolds a story of how even the most powerful ancient entities can have their off days, resorting to questionable methods in times of need. Their operation on Earth is like something out of a space-age industrial revolution. Imagine high-tech devices and alien machinery, all set up in the cradle of human civilization. The Anunnaki oversee the work, their eyes on the prize, the precious gold they need to save Nibiru. The Igigi, weary and downtrodden, toil under the watchful eyes of their otherworldly masters. It's a scene of stark contrasts. Advanced beings from the stars mingling with the primitive landscape of ancient Earth. Meanwhile, Alalu, once an outcast, now finds himself in a unique position. He's a bridge between two worlds, the rebellious Anunnaki and the rulers who now seek his aid. In a strange twist of fate, he becomes a crucial player in this intergalactic drama, his knowledge of Earth's resources invaluable to his former adversaries. It's a tale of redemption, power dynamics, and the unpredictable nature of fate. Fast forward a few centuries into this cosmic drama. The situation with the Igigi, those hard-pressed workers slaving away in Earth's gold mines, reaches a critical point. Picture the scene: an uprising of epic proportions. These beleaguered beings, exhausted from relentless labor, finally snap. They launch a massive rebellion, causing chaos in Eridu, the once gleaming city of gold. The mines, the heart of their operation, begin to crumble like a house of cards under the strain of revolt. However, let's be honest here, the Igigi, for all their bravery and spirit, are up against the Anunnaki, a civilization leagues ahead in terms of technology and warfare. The result? The rebellion, as valiant as it was, gets crushed with ease by the Anunnaki's superior might. But here's where the Anunnaki's true nature comes into play. They're not just muscle and high-tech weaponry, they're master strategists, thinkers with a penchant for long-term solutions. They realize that subjugating the rebellious Igigi is like trying to grasp smoke. It's an exercise in futility and it just spreads chaos. So, in a stroke of brilliance, or perhaps desperation, they come up with a radical idea. Why not engineer a new species? Something more malleable, less inclined to rebellion than the spirited Igigi. This decision marks a pivotal moment in this interstellar saga. The Anunnaki set their sights on creating a species that could bridge the gap between the needs of their gold-hungry empire and the realities of life on Earth. They envision a being that's not just a laborer, but a part of a grander cosmic design. It's a gamble, a leap into the unknown, blending science, ambition, and a dash of cosmic meddling. This decision, born out of necessity and perhaps a touch of alien arrogance, sets the stage for the next chapter in this extraordinary tale. The Anunnaki, in their celestial wisdom, embark on a journey of creation, the ramifications of which would echo through millennia, shaping the very fabric of Earth's history. So, the Anunnaki's genetic experiment turns into a full-blown sci-fi spectacle. They're tossing around monkey genes and their own star stuff like they're in a cosmic kitchen. The results? A bizarre parade of mythological freaks. We're talking about creatures straight out of your wildest dreams or nightmares. Cyclops with their single, glaring eye, gorgons with snakes for hair, and gigantic beings with two heads, towering over everything. These were the kind of beings that would have ancient storytellers scrambling for their quills in awe and terror. But the Anunnaki weren't done yet. They shifted to Plan B, a more refined approach. They take some DNA from a male monkey, sprinkle in their extraterrestrial spice, and presto. Along comes Adamu, the prototype of modern humans. He's a bit rough around the edges, sporting a reddish, sun-kissed complexion, a testament to his half-terrestrial, half-celestial origin. Adamu, crafted in the image of his creators, stands as the first of our kind, a bridge between the Earth and the stars. Next on the cosmic stage, we introduce Hiva, humanity's pioneering woman, sculpted as a partner for Adamu and to guarantee the survival of this novel species. As the wheel of time turns, these initial humans start to flourish in Eridu. They delve into gold mining, construct awe-inspiring buildings, and cultivate the land, laying the very foundations of civilization as we understand it today. They're at the forefront of an era, transforming the landscape with their newfound skills and ingenuity. Their endeavors aren't just about survival. They're crafting a legacy, a testament to their determination and adaptability. In recognition of their tireless efforts, the Anunnaki bestow upon them a majestic gift: access to Eden, an extravagant garden utopia. This place, lush with verdant greenery and brimming with life, is more than just a reward. It's a symbol of the harmonious coexistence between the Anunnaki and their human creations. Eden is a VIP enclave, a cornucopia of nature's finest offerings, a veritable slice of celestial paradise right here on Earth. But here's where the plot thickens. Those Anunnaki start developing a bit of a soft spot for human women. Big no-no, according to their own rules. Yet Enki, the head honcho of Eridu, throws caution to the wind and falls head over heels for a human lady. This star-crossed affair results in the birth of Arapa, a child of both worlds, part human, part divine. Arapa, later known as Adapa, becomes something of a legend, a blend of human ingenuity and celestial wisdom. Adapa, in turn, marries Atiti, and their offspring are a cut above the rest, super smart. But unfortunately, They inherit their otherworldly grandfather's thirst for gold and a hunger for power. This brings us to Cain and Abel, Oedipus' children, who become the Anunnaki's favorites. They're like the golden boys, always vying for top honors. But sibling rivalry takes a dark turn when Cain, tired of being second best, resorts to violence and kills Abel with a club. This is humanity's first murder, and it sends shockwaves through both the human and Anunnaki communities. Cain is marked with a scarlet letter on his forehead, a symbol of his crime, and is exiled, doomed to wander eternally. It's a classic case of a family feud escalating way out of control. But humans, true to their nature, continue to multiply rapidly. Eridu is soon overflowing with people. Gold mines are bustling, fields are ripe with crops, and Eden is like a cosmic farmer's market. Meanwhile, Nibiru's situation is stabilizing, thanks largely to the influx of gold from Earth. The Anunnaki, perhaps growing weary of human theatrics and the relentless pace of life on Earth, decide it's time for a change. They issue a decree. Humanity must leave their utopian garden. Go fend for yourselves in the wilderness, they command. And just like that, humanity finds itself ousted from paradise, cast out to forge their own path in the world. If you loved this cosmic adventure, hit like, subscribe for more spacebound stories, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the Anunnaki could have really visited Earth? Thanks for watching and keep exploring the stars.